So, good day everyone. My name is Joseph Benjamin De Leon, and today I'll be teaching you how to install and set up Windows 7. And so, firstly, click natin tong new and insert tayo ng VM name natin. And dito sa ISO image, select natin yung ISO file niya. And proceed, and check natin tong box na to, and finish and start. Then wait lang natin mag-load yung files. So next is hanapin natin yung language na English. Next, baguhin natin yung currency format. Next, and install now. And piliin natin yung Windows 7 Ultimate. Next, accept the license terms. Ito, click nyo itong advance and drive options, new, apply, okay. Then format, okay. Then next natin, and wait na lang natin tong pag-expand ng Windows files. So hindi ko na nakita yung pagtapos ng pag-load nun. So ito yung nun, yung after nun. Nag-load na siya into starting Windows. So, nag-set up na yung services niya. Ayan, di ba? So, complete the installation. Wait na lang natin. So, ang tagal ng installation. Skip na lang natin yung part na yan. So, yun. Natapos din yung installation Windows. Wait lang natin. Starting Windows na. So next is yung product key natin. So yung product key natin is NG4HW and VH26C and 733KW and K6F98 and JHCK4. Next, oh my god, NG4HW VH26C 733KW K6F98 JHCK4. So wait lang, hindi natin. So mali pala yung product na nalagay ko. So dapat FJGCP 4D FJP GJY 49 VJBQ7 HYRR2. Next, ayun, gumana yung natin. So loading lang ulit natin. So dito, set up Windows Assimilator, and yan, public network. So preparing your desktop, pintayin na lang natin, and ayun, meron na tayong Windows 7. And that's all. Thank you, sana may natutunan kayo sa pag-install ng Windows 7.